wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come and shut up selector boy.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco back in the music club with a bang. I know people already see what we are dealing with today. No, yeah, man, people. Yeah, that mafia. You see what we are dealing with today from the title. Yeah, man. And this one was requested by one of our Damn Mafia family. You don't know. This one was requested by Daniel. Daniel, big up yourself, my G. You don't know. Always a supporter. Always supporting everything we do over here. You don't know. Yeah, man. The one I entitled, the one out by Medz Boss. You see me? And I don't react to Medz Boss on the channel now, so I check it out and swear that I deal with today. You see me? I say that one name no take chat. You see me? So we don't know from the title that upon some bad man thing, some gangster shit. And I check it out and swear that I deal with, don't it? Yeah, man, guys. Yeah, man, cause we don't know, your Trini music body, man. You see me? And I haven't been much on my Trini shit lately, but you don't know, we're getting back to it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So, guys, you don't know, before we jump in the track, you don't know coding on. You don't know coding at time for, do the right thing. You see me? Yeah, man, from returning viewers and subscribers. And if you're new to the channel, you don't know what code mean, just know, so we'll leave by the code over here. So, the code is from you watch a video, you like a video. And if you're new to the channel, you subscribe. That's the code we live by over here. So just follow the code and do the right thing, because you don't know code is life. You see me? And like me say today, we check out Medz Boss, no take no chat. That's the way dog I deal with it. You see me? You don't know Medz Boss are bad artist, So I check out dog and swear dog depend on it today. You see me? The one entitled no take no chat. Let's get it.
Ladies, full of chat like a chick. Respond full of gun like the Navy.
Okay, I like your vibe, but the one at the start to this, man. I like, alright, let's get it.
And if you go missing and bury, but you get what I'm saying, I like you see we auntie. If you don't want it,
yeah, man, I like your vibes are going upon this, man. The intro is definitely setting a blood ambience and mood. You
see we auntie, hey. Who's that in your face? Auntie, them boy, them a baby. Cry faster than ladies. Full of chat like a cherry. West Bank full of gun like the Navy.
Them boy they are baby, full of chat like a cherry. Come on, now see that him like that.
We not take no chat from the boy, but if he go missing and bury, no doctor can save him. But he get one up say another grave dig.
Nah, take no chat from no boy, then if you bury, I want to doctor can't see if
Yo, president, when shot us involved, we don't take chat. Bust up the mini care dog in a head tap. Yo, big slow this thing like Mad Max. Yo, Shaka with the Zulu make the place stack. Yo, leave them dead bad man a match. Rapid burst me a fire me no tutor. Yeah, them a go feel when me gun tap.
Man left them bury bad man a march pan them blow over abandon them.
Yo, trigger we evil no bum with them a baby. Cry faster than ladies. Full of chat like a cherry. West Bank full of gun like the Navy. We not take no chat from no boy, but if you go missing and bury, no doubt.
Nah, take no chat from no boy, but if you go missing and bury, you want to tell you, man, say West Bank full of blood leak gun like the Navy. I want to
doctor can't save him, but he get one up say another grave dig. All the men get shell, yeah, switch fully on them. Links them large it a cause problem. Bing bang in the sea, this a jet them a send for the jumps with the Mac 10 them. See we even my heart call it a
threat them a send for the blood the jumps and the Mac 10 them. I want to tell you, I go down there.
Freeze, kill everything, don't left nothing a breathe. Couple latch in a head, the shot I put it to sleep, yeah. Cause we not take the feed. One thing me sure about, yeah, them never kill nobody. Pussy on the link with squaddy. Run up on my gun dog, but I'm missing like a daddy. I if with scope where we are carrying.
This man's run up on my gun, yeah, I'm missing like a daddy. Oh boy,
in my zone dog, can't beg me for sorry. Body full of flies and maggots. You know, already code dog, none of them can stop it. Them everything can rap it. Boy, them a baby.
I don't know the code dog, everything pan rapid. I'm tell you, so I don't know if you know the code to that mafia. You see me? Code. You see me? Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get it.
Baby, cry faster than ladies. Full of chat like a cherry. West Bank full of gun like the Navy. We not take no chat from no boy, but if you go missing and bury.
me if you not take no chat from no boy. You see me body I go miss now Mary to dash them away. Right?
No doctor can save him, but he get one up say another grave dig. You see we auntie. You want it, you see we auntie.
Yo, the beat of madam like the beat. You see me very tropical. You see me about badman tune. You can't so on it. Come here, man.
Auntie, you see we auntie, yeah. Yo, bing bang. Them boy, them a baby. Cry faster than ladies. Full of chat like a cherry. Full of gun like the
You see me about faster than the ladies. Them boy, they are baby. I'm tell you.
baby. We not take no chat from no boy, but if he go missing and bury, no doctor can save him, but he get one up say another grave dig.
I mean, a doctor can't save them. And then get born up, you see, our next grave digger. I'm tell you, somebody. Easy the one that go on. Medz boss, yo. Medz boss spitting, bro. You see me? And the dog sliding on the beat. I'm vibing, bro. We definitely check out some more from Medz boss, you see me? So let me know anything about the one the guys, you see me? Tell me what your favorite part. Beats, lyrics, melody. Yo, Medz boss flowing, bro. And the beat that he's on is very like, you know, tropical and it's easy going. Man, not, you know, act up himself on the beat. You see me? I say. I was like, yo, I take it calm and easy upon them pussy, you know, you see me? Them boy, they are baby. You see me? They're just full of beer chat like cherry, you see me? When war start, they start ball faster than ladies, you see me? I say, yeah, man, we not take no chat from no boy, I can't chat now, you know? You see me? That boy, if you miss now, bury, tell you. Yeah, man, tune bad, man. You so dog, I do him fire, but do him things. So shout out to Medz boss. Yeah, you see me? We definitely have more reactions to Medz boss, so definitely drop on a request in the comment section, guys. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll definitely get it done. You don't know, it's a vibe. And let me know what's your favorite part, man. Beats, lyrics, melody. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Let me know what's your favorite part. And if you like, you can show the artist some love and support. And you don't know, sir, Jambisco, and send him. Send him, you don't know me. Like, you know, so that mafia gang strong over here. You see me? Yeah, man. We're coming and we're growing. You see me on our road to 10K. You don't know. On the road to 1 million. You don't know, guys. You don't know. You just hit the like and subscribe button. Help your boy out. You see me, help the channel grow. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.